Hi, this is Matt with Holly Home Inspections. So during a deck inspection, we're always looking for several things. On today's deck in particular, you can see up here where there's no flashing coming out from underneath the deck, and the floor joists themselves have no joist hangers around them. As a matter of fact, this floor joist in particular has started to pull loose. So when you're installing a deck, you need to make sure it's got the proper flashing around it to make sure the water drains properly. And you should have joist hangers on not just the house side of the deck, but the outside edge of the deck on the floor joists. The joist hangers help hold the deck together. They have multiple holes in the joist hangers. You need to put a nail, a number 16 galvanized nail or larger, in each and every hole to help hold everything together.